You can make some baby sounds for me? You're gonna make some sweet baby sounds for me, huh? Yeah. Well, that's not quite the sweet baby sounds I was thinking about. There's a baby. Hi, sweet pumpkin. Hi, sweet pumpkin. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweet baby. Hi, sweet baby. Do you need some grandma kisses? Got some grandma kisses. Hey, pretty. Hi, pretty. You make some baby noises for me? You talk to me a little bit, huh? You talk to me a little bit? Yeah? You talk to me a little bit. Let's talk to me a little bit. There's a baby. You talk to me a little bit. Huh? You talk to me? Uh-oh. You got your little socky off. Uh-oh, no scratching in face. Uh-oh.